washer. This is an electric high pressure washer. This is the box I got it in. Obviously it was not put together like this. I did have some assembly. I will go over that assembly here in a minute, but let's just go over the box real quick. It's got adjustable pressure on it, 4 quick connect nozzles, which go from 0, 15, 25 to 40, a built-in hose reel, extra long hose with power cord, included foam container. And then down in here, you get a little kind of set of instructions. So I had to put this rack right here, the handle, all of that screwed in there. That snaps on and screws on. This hose reel goes in the middle and it just rolls up like that. It's got a cord management here on the side that's very convenient. Big, nice, open it right here. You power button there and then you go max, minimum. Very simple to work, and this just rolls out like that. And there's the 4 connectors, and they come in different colors right here, so you know which one you have on there. It's got an easy connect on it. Look at that. I did it one hand, and you can just snap it right back on. Here's the little soap container. I will show that in use. I think I got some soap still in there. You're gonna have to screw your holes into your actual like nozzle there, and it all works. So right here's where you're gonna put the water hose. Screws in right there. It does have a seal on it. Let me take it over to my water hose, set this thing up, and let me show you in action. I will clean a little bit of a sidewalk off and maybe some siding on the house, and throw some soap in it. So let's do that now. Okay, I'm over here. I just got it all hooked up. All I did was run the water hose right in right there. I did add some soap to the little soap container there, so we'll go ahead and set that aside. We don't need to leave it on there. So if I want to get the extra hose out, just goes like that. When you're ready to roll it back up, just roll it back up just like that. Very simple, nice little handle. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll it all the way out. Let's use it on the sidewalk here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that dirt coming off of there. Now this thing will go, I think it was up to 5,000 PSI. Look how it's cleaning this sidewalk. Yeah, that's working fine. I don't see any issues with this. Let's go ahead and let's go to the other tips. Now, obviously, it's going to be on par with like a commercial pressure washer, but I think running like your anything around the house, whether it's like washing your car or blowing off your porch and sidewalk, this will work great for it. Oh, that's the one that you can really kind of like, watch this, I can write. That's actually knocking some of the little bricks off, the gravel off of there. I'm just going to show you all these tips in action. This is the widest that you'd use like washing your car or something like that. And then to actually pull this off, you're gonna mash in. See how that piece comes off? Right like that. Y'all see that? So the soap connector works very well. I've got some soap on there. So right here's the power button. It's turned down. Noticeably lower. Watch when I turn it up. Quick sidewalk. We'll do some siding over here. I think it'll work good for that right there. Sidewalks, these little patio stones. And then when you're done, you've got the actual spot right here to put the one right back in a spot like that, roll it up, put the cord on there, and you are good to go. Yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the YERYORK, electric pressure washer with hose reel. See y'all in the next video.